to wear a costume for $200.
DJ, get your money up, nigga.
He made $50 one time. One time they gave him treats for free, and they had him posted. 2 times they gave him treats for free and had him posted.
So what's the holdup?
He trapped that slope in it.
Nigga, yo, hustle up, bro. You gotta get out there.
Everybody in this family gotta make some money. That shit crazy.
Nobody out there, bro.
Nobody get a break.
Nobody get a pass, bro. You know you make money with the pictures and shit.
He's getting too happy to be around me.
Well, how you know that?
Stop.
You weirdo.
20 minutes later.
Support system.
Okay.
Your uncle babysit you in emergencies. Men that take you outside and feeding you.
You can't fail in life, bro.
Bro, I just watched this nigga react to a video.
You gotta get your hustle up, bro. That's it. That's all.
Literally, you gotta be more of an influencer.
You know what I'm saying? Yo. Welcome back to my channel. We got a banger, okay? I know I said I wasn't coming with a Omegle video, but I got another Omegle video. These motherfuckers crazy once again. It gets even crazier once again. So just like, comment, subscribe, share, fuck with me. Let's get.
You look like you finna spit some knowledge or some shit. I can't hear you, you're muted. Look, this nigga was finna talk shit, can't even talk. This nigga is retarded. Hey, hold this, bro.
Hey, no
Go
cap.
ahead and hold that.
You're not wrong. No cap. I'm recording a whole YouTube video, bro. I ain't have no audio this whole time. I gotta run it back. Appreciate you for telling me that, bro. Fuck.
My ribbon. Listen, I learned a new gang song. This is called a kickstand. 2 leg. Scissors. Bow my ribbon. You feel me? Bow my ribbon.
What gang you from?
It's called Scissor Kick. Bow my ribbon. You feel me? Bow my ribbon.
You ain't gangster. Stop pulling up in front, bro. You ain't never stepped nowhere outside nowhere, bro. Why you doing that?
You're not cool. You can't tell a cool person, tell them not to do what to do. Bow my ribbon. See this? It's called kickstand. It's a kick right here.
Bro, you keep throwing up that lame ass gang, bro. Stop throwing up that gang, bro. You ain't never stepped a day in your life, bro. Like I just said. I mean, it's cool though, bro. Like if you want to like portray an image that you not, like, you can do that, bro. But just
No. We're not doing that.
Just not with me. Spend.
What?
Y'all sideways.
We know.
Turn yourselves that way. Bro, stop trying to riz me. I'm being serious right now. What classes y'all in that like allow y'all to do this?
Technology.
Where y'all teaching at?
Deceased.
Deceased is insane. Why you not taking y'all phones? Like, is phones just cool in school now? Is he teaching?
No.
Why I feel like everybody tuned into to this conversation right now? Man, y'all have a good day. It made me feel weird. What's going on, man? You speak English?
Little.
Little?
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. Where you from?
Pakistan.
You Muslim?
Ah,
Assalamu alaikum, my brother.
Walaikum salam.
Have a good day. Good day.
Good day.
Bro, I love it. Wholesome interaction. Let's fucking go. Man, this is why the fuck I do this shit. For shit like that, man. Fuck. just made my day. That really just made my day, bro. Do I even need to do this anymore? Hello? Dragon.
Hello.
I'm sorry for yelling. What's going on, Dragon? Mr. Dragon? All right, man.
Hello.
What's going on, bro?
Hi, friend.
Hey, what you smoking?
Yeah, smoking.
You smoking some Za? Oh, that's not no Za. That's not no Za. You smoke Za?
You, handsome. You, handsome.
What you mean by that?
I don't know.
Thank you?
I don't know. I don't know.
You have a good day. Okay. Man just called me handsome. All right. All right, so that's a wrap. It was a good video. These motherfuckers is like, bro, I'm trying to like, I just want wholesome interactions, and these guys just listen. But we got a couple in this video, and if you fuck with the content, like, comment, subscribe, share. If y'all fuck with me, like I fuck with y'all, cause I fuck with y'all. Okay. I'm gonna fuck with y'all next time. You sound mute. I can't hear you. Oh shit. Are you okay? What's going? Domestic? Violence?